There's been a lot of concern about how slow the vaccination process has been going from the start, not just here in Michigan, but all across the country. But the state is hoping that changes are going to make a difference as the expansion of those eligible for vaccines begins today. Joining us live this morning to talk about it is Lieutenant Governor Garlin Gilchrist. Good morning.
Good morning. Good to be here with you.
Good to have you with us. So let's talk about the process right now to make sure that the supply is there for the demand with this new wave of folks eligible for the vaccine.
Well, let's again just establish what's happening. So today is the first day of widened eligibility for more people in Michigan to sign up to make an appointment for a COVID-19 vaccine. That's really important because everyone getting a vaccine is key to us moving forward with our life, with our economy, with our jobs, with our kids getting back to school and all this. This is really critical. Now, people need to make an appointment to get this vaccine because we want to make sure there is an orderly and clear process. We're also continuing to work every single day, the governor and I, to make sure that we are getting more vaccine into the state of Michigan, and we need more vaccine allocation from the federal government. That's why we called for an increase in the amount that we've received here in Michigan. We've joined other governors to do the same, because the more we get into the state, the more we can push to our local health departments and our partners in our pharmacies so that more people can sign up to get their vaccinations and get them soon. It is safe, it's effective, and it will help us move forward if everyone can sign up to get it today. So go to michigan.gov/coronavirus to make an appointment, and more appointments will become available as soon as we have more vaccine.
So the recommendation is to go to the michigan.gov and/or the health department website. Is it the same thing depending on where you live for your county?
That's right. You can contact your local health department. That is probably actually the best first call to make, but you can also make that appointment on michigan.gov/coronavirus.
So let's talk about the White House Coronavirus Task Force. And have they been in contact with the governor's office to talk about the vaccine shipments and a national plan?
Well, there was some what the White House called a miscommunication in terms of the amount of allocation that Michigan and other states were to receive, and we made a lot of noise about that because we were slated to receive more than 500,000 doses in our first shipment, and instead we only got about 80,000. And so we've been working to make sure that that can be cleared up and that the White House and the federal government can do what they need to do to get us what we need to vaccinate our people in Michigan. That conversation is ongoing with the administration, and we appreciate the clarification, but we need more vaccine and we need it now. And so we're hoping that the Trump administration will accelerate the amount of vaccines that are offered, and they will no longer hold back vaccines at the federal level. And we're going to work with the incoming Biden administration to do the same.
For those of us that want to be vaccinated, that want to get our loved ones vaccinated, what's your advice to all of us this morning?
Well, that the vaccine, first of all, is safe and is proven to be effective. And so it's the right choice to make to get a vaccine. And so that for those who are eligible, again, if you're over 65, if you are an educator or a first responder or other workers who are so critical to making sure that life is continuing to move forward, to make that call to your local health department or to go to michigan.gov/coronavirus to contact the state to set up that appointment for you to get your vaccine and to get it as soon as you're eligible.
All right, Lieutenant Governor, thank you so much for joining us, and we hope that the rollout is smooth as we head into this new phase this morning. Appreciate you taking the time.
Thank you, everyone. Take care and be safe. Get vaccinated.